Did you know that 90% of us are not getting enough fiber in our diet? This can lead to digestive problems and inflammation. Is your diet healthy? Listen to your gut. Your gut is the center of the body's universe, constantly communicating with the rest of your organs. It's called our second brain for a reason, and here's why you should pay attention. When your gut is in shape, your whole body benefits. But it's a balancing act. The gut microbiome contains 100 trillion bacteria, good and bad. Having a mix of both is perfectly normal, but too much bad bacteria can cause inflammation, drain your energy, and weaken your immune system. The good bacteria, known as probiotics, help you digest the food nutrients, quiet inflammation, and shape your immune system. To keep your gut balanced, you need to nourish the good bacteria. But how? With fibers called prebiotics. Good bacteria thrive on fibers and break them down into nutrients that help build your body. Most diets and conventional fiber supplements are ineffective because they don't include a complete fiber profile. Zinobiotic is a tailored blend of 8 natural sources of time-released prebiotic fibers, beta-glucans, 3 resistant starches, 2 sources of chicory root, psyllium husk, and guar gum fiber. Together, they keep the microbiome diversified by nourishing the bacteria throughout your intestines to benefit the whole gut. This all-natural prebiotic fiber blend promotes the growth of good bacteria, supports healthy bowel functions, helps reduce blood sugar spikes, and helps maintain good cholesterol levels. Zinobiotic is certified by Informed Sport and the Vegan Society, with 8 natural ingredients that offer health benefits approved by the EU and assessed by the EFSA. Now you know the basics of why it's essential to listen to your gut if you want to keep it healthy. From the pioneers of test-based, personalized nutrition, Zinzino, inspire change in life.